Welcome to Block 7. Today, we are exploring Comporta 107, an extraordinary beach house designed by dEMM Arquitectura, located among the pine forests and rice fields of Comporta, Portugal. This house stands majestically on sand dunes, in a setting rich in natural beauty and biodiversity. Comporta 107 draws its inspiration from the wild, deserted beaches of the region. The project successfully recreates this natural environment with dunes and abundant vegetation, blending seamlessly with the surrounding nature. The house consists of two pure, transparent volumes, allowing us to appreciate the complexity of the surrounding nature. The first volume is made of wood and is located on the ground floor, while a concrete volume sits atop it on the first floor. On the ground floor, patios were created, allowing the sand and dune vegetation to inhabit the social area, creating an outdoor-indoor feel. On the first floor, the concrete volume is supported only at 2 points at the boundaries without central support. This provides an uninterrupted space in the living room and kitchen, allowing them to open entirely to both the outdoor space that connects to the pool and the interior patios. This design makes the boundary between interior and exterior nearly imperceptible. The extensive use of vegetation outside is a biophilic approach that brings nature indoors. This vegetation is present in all areas, including bedrooms and social areas, providing essential contact with nature. Carefully selected local species merge with the architecture, creating a harmonious natural atmosphere. The oversized interior height and full-height windows with complete openings allow harmonious light entry and a perfect visual relationship between the interior and exterior, bringing all the natural surroundings into the home. Materials like exposed concrete, uniquely textured wood designed for this project, corten steel, and large sand-colored natural stones with embedded fossils enhance the beach-like feel. Outdoor spaces such as terraces, balconies, and gardens are designed to emphasize the existing and constructed natural beauty, complementing the interior. With continuity in materials and design from interior to exterior, a sense of depth is created in the pine forest, extending along the carefully designed dune vegetation that embraces the pool. Comporta 107 is a perfect blend of modern architecture and natural beauty. Its transparent design and use of natural materials create a home that is both aesthetic and functional, allowing residents to enjoy the beauty of nature at all times. This house is an outstanding example of how architecture can merge with its surroundings, providing invaluable inspiration and design ideas. Thank you for joining this home tour on Block 7. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspirational videos. See you in the next video.